This is a life-saving device, guys. For any of you working on wrecked cars, it's amazing, it's very affordable, and it can do wonders. Stay with us, we'll explain how we're going to use it today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, today will be super helpful video for any of you looking to buy a frame machine, portable frame machine. Check this Maserati out, guys. We got it smashed in the back. It was wrecked, it was hit really bad. As you can see, we replaced the trunk, haven't painted it yet, but we need to replace the frame support there. Everything was smashed. Stay with us, we'll explain, guys, what we did, how we fixed it and made it look like new again. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engines, computers, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? To save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making and providing these videos for free. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, you can see that Maserati Levante got smashed in the back, in the bumper. We replaced the trunk right here because it was so smashed, okay, quite bad, and all that went inside. Okay, check this thing out. It's supposed to follow the bumper here, even though the bumper is a little bit smashed, so it's supposed to come like up to here, and it doesn't. So it went in, what is that, about 5 fingers, guys, so quite a bit. With the help of that, guys, okay, little frame machine that's very inexpensive. This is right here. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get it from. I want to show you what's going to happen, so let's go ahead and pump it now, okay, and I want to show you how it's going to straighten it. So watch this thing now. Okay, you can see how it comes out, guys. This is amazing. Check this thing out. Okay, let's stop for a second, pause. I want to see. Okay, we gained 1 finger, guys, so far. 1 finger. Let's try more. Okay, we're going to pump a little bit more. And it still keeps coming out. What are we now? 2.5 fingers. This is a life-saving machine, guys. Okay, all we have to do is just pump it. It goes a little bit at a time because it's more precise. It needs a little bit of force. So, and that Maserati Levante is built like a tank. It's quite heavy, guys. So we're close to 2 fingers. We started with 4, right? So watch how much we gained so far on the frame machine. We're down to almost 2. Let's keep going more. We hear some popping, that's normal. Okay, we're at 2 fingers, guys, and it looks much better now. Check this thing out, guys. It broke the board in the back, but it's still holding there. Just stay away from it because I think if it slips out, it can severely damage you. Less than 2 fingers, guys. It still keeps going, right? Looks much better so far. Okay, now we're gaining quite a bit. I see a lot of gaining right now. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Wow, now it's seriously coming out. Okay, we might need to. It's a little bit inconvenient. The only downside is the hose is a little bit shorter. Okay, the bolts keep popping and breaking. That's normal. Okay. Wow. What are we now? Less than 1 finger, guys. From 4 or 5 fingers to less than 1. Okay, now in a little bit we need to stop. We need to go more on the other side now, right there. This side almost straight on all the way. So now we need to switch a little bit on this side and do a little bit more there. Okay, we decided to go just a little bit more because it's spring loaded. Obviously it will come back. Okay, let's stop now. Okay, that's good. We'll release the pressure. Always it will come back, Sam, so you need to always extend a little bit more than what you need. Now we're going to position it on the other side. So we reposition it a little bit, guys. Okay, check out how much we gained inside right there as well. Wow, piece of cake, guys. That machine is very convenient. We need to go more, a little bit more we need to be, from what I see. More, because the bumper has some damage too, so. Okay. Check this thing out, guys. 5 fingers, we had 4 and we went 1 overlapping, so we're 5 fingers out on that frame damage right here. All that was closed in. Check this thing out. Now I can put my hand underneath, guys. So practically this is amazing. Amazing what we just accomplished, guys. Okay, a piece of cake here. Now we're going to start straightening here and there a little bit with a mallet, so everything can be positioned good. Okay. So we want to get the ring of parts and release the pressure. Wow, amazing. Right here you see where the paint broke, all that was dented in. Now let's see if we need to go more. We're going to see how the trunk closes. We can just put that thing in the trunk and we will attempt to close the trunk and see exactly how much more we need. Just stay away from the battery in our car, because here you will have multiple battery sensors, airbag sensors, because if the car gets in a crash, it has an airbag igniter connector that will disconnect the car battery so the car doesn't catch on fire. So now we're going to go ahead and attempt to close it and see what's going to happen. We're trying to get the cable out that we had it tied with here. Okay, so let's see how far we are now. It closed, guys. Okay, it closed. This is unbelievable. Okay, check out that lower section. Okay, and you can see, guys, okay, all that was smashed here before, right? Check this thing out now. Okay, all that came out perfect. So we got the other attachment now, guys. We're going to spread a little bit right here. Okay, that's what we call those, the scissors. Check this thing out now. Okay. Wow. Let's go one more time. Yeah, it comes out. It looks good. We can go maybe a little bit more. That's amazing. It gets strong, but you can see it came out. Now we can release it. Now remember, all that was smashed together, right? All that was before smashed. Now we gained quite a bit, and we have an open hole here that we need to close as well later. One of the seals came off there. Okay, let's try a little bit now. Watch how much we gain now. Okay, stop now, because we have some movement in that section here now. So guys, we're done messing with the frame machine. We installed things. We still have the old bumper. We'll be painting the new one, so we just put it together here to drive it around town, see what else it needs. And now, okay, this one needs to go all the way underneath, right there under the lip, so to make sure that it goes correctly. So let's go ahead. Okay, all the way underneath it went, like that one. Yep. And now we need to install the tool right here. That will be the last thing, and we'll see how everything closes. We were not even paying attention. Never mind, guys. Okay, we need to redo it right here now. Okay, and oh, come on, the bolt almost came loose right here. So that's a little bit tricky design. Hopefully we will be able, okay, to get it right. So, okay, it's in. Let's see now, okay, what else we need to do here. If we can tighten, okay, the spare tire tools right here. Okay, it looks like it's catching now finally, so that's a good sign. That means that the spare tire is where it's supposed to be. Oh, come on, it came loose underneath. So I need to position it back underneath and we'll continue. It came loose from the mount. Okay, right there, so let me see. Okay, exactly where it is. Okay, and it looks like the bolt came out. We didn't push it all the way in. That was our problem, guys, right here. Okay, that's where it's supposed to be. It just moved. So now we're going to attempt to do it again. My heart skipped a beat. Thought it's not gonna fit for a second. Okay, perfect. Now let's just get that thing tight. Okay, and come on, that board is nothing holding it in place, so it makes it a little bit hard to actually center it, holding in place. I think finally we have movement. Hey, finally, I can see it, it's going in, right in the middle of the thing, so that's a good sign. Okay, and we are okay, all the way tight, perfect, right in the middle. Now we're going to get that container here. We're going to position it. That's the moment of the truth. Let's see if everything fits like it's supposed to. Okay, check the gap here. Okay, that gap right here, simply amazing, right? Just playing with the frame machine for less than 2 hours, everything. Okay, now let's see how it's going to close. Okay, the thing is that we need to unlock the car because we had it open for a long time because we replaced the car battery and now it's relearning everything as well. So guys, check it out now. Okay, we are closed, locked, unlocked the car. Now we're going to press the button. It's going to close itself. Let's inspect now what's happening. Okay, now that's no good. Okay, don't judge us about the wrap. It's terrible. It's still the white paint underneath. You can kind of see it right here. We just temporarily wrapped it. Even the spoiler we didn't do on the bottom side. We just want to have it that way for about a week until we get the paint so we can test it in town and it doesn't look terrible. We did right here. Okay, you can see the arch around it as well. Just a quick one, guys. It took us less than probably 30 minutes to wrap it with pieces we had laying in the garage, but it closes good. It looks amazing. Does it open? It opens. Perfect. Does it close now? Let's check again. Okay, one more time, and guys, I think that's pretty satisfying. So if you need to get that machine, we'll share the information where you can get it from. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.